wouldn't change it ever. It's too long to live it for nothing, so this is my mood forever.